In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Trello list ID. If you're someone who uses Trello to organize your tasks and projects, knowing how to find a list ID can be incredibly useful, especially if you're into automations or connecting Trello with other apps. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Trello website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Trello, or you can go directly to the URL at Trello's official webpage. Once there, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so. Click on the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and then hit enter, or click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will land on your Trello workspace. This is where all the action happens, as it's your main control center for managing boards, cards, lists, and everything else. From here, navigate to boards, where all your active boards are displayed. If you're working with multiple boards, this view allows you to conveniently choose the exact board you wish to access. Identify the board that contains the list you need the ID for, and click on it. This will open up the board and display all the lists and cards within it. Now you'll want to locate any card within the list whose ID you want to find. Click on the card, which will open the card's full view and allow you to see more options. Next, you're going to want to click on Share, which is often indicated by an icon of an arrow pointing upwards. It's typically found on the right hand side of the card details view. Clicking it will bring up various sharing options, including links and email options. Among these options, look for link to this card and click on it. This gives you a direct URL to the card. This URL contains critical information. Now, although our goal is to find a list ID, analyzing the URL is crucial. It's important to note that this URL is a gateway to many details, including the card's unique ID. While we directly extracted the card ID, the list ID isn't often displayed in this context, but knowing how to navigate your way around these links is pivotal, especially when you're connecting Trello cards and lists with other services. This detailed pathway of getting the card's link might seem a roundabout way of handling a seemingly simple requirement, but understanding these URLs in depth empowers you to maneuver Trello to your advantage more effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to confidently navigate and dissect Trello URLs, putting you well on your way to mastering the platform.